Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet and today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful Thai dessert. It's so simple that you can do it. I'm going to show you how to make them. I got this beautiful purple sweet potato from the local market here, so I was thinking, maybe I could do something with this. So I tried to figure out what would be the best recipe to bring out the best of this kind of ingredients. So it's quite abundant, only $3 per kilo. So I only used 2 of these to make this recipe. So you get quite a lot for small money you paid for. First of all, we are going to start making this recipe by peeling off the skin and just unwanted the brown blemish here, and then use the hand grater. It's cost me about $2-3 and it works magic. And if you ever need something like this, go visit your local store and pick one. It's really handy when you need to grate something. Not only of this, but you can also use with raw papaya or raw mango or any kind of other veggie like carrot. Very useful. After slices potatoes, I got a big pile of the hand grated ones. Looks, it's a beautiful thin slice. I am going to use my limestone solution here. You see the orange residue at the bottom there is just from the limestone, the red color. There are 2 colors in the market right now, the red one or the orange one, or the white one. They are made from the calcium of the seashell, so it's basically going to help make these potatoes or shredded potato stay crisp. So when fries or steam, it won't become mushy. So I'm going to soak this in the limestone solutions for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or so. So let them soak in there and then we'll come back. 20 minutes past, I'm going to put into the sifter here. So usually I would rinse it twice to get rid of the calcium in the water we soak it in. Just going to leave it there until the water is drained out. So let the water run through a couple of times. Then you get this beautiful material. It's quite crispy now. I'm going to let it on the paper towel. Now it's going to help soak up on the excess water here. So when you fry it, it won't explode. Alright, I guarantee you if you do this method, it's fine, it's safe. Now moving on to the next part, we are going to prepare for the deep fries, and I am using the medium to high heat for the fries. The things I like to do when frying this potato is just don't add too much at once. So you need to have the space between them to fries and to get a lot of heat from all around, so it's cooked evenly, and it won't take long. This probably take maybe 10 minutes. First, when you put it in, it's gonna have a lot of bubbles, and they still have a lot of water inside. So the longer you fry, the less bubbles become. So now it's time to scoop it up. So as you can see here, the color looks very vibrant and it's very crispy. Not just this recipe, but I think you can use it with something else, like in your salad. Sprinkle some of seasoning like pepper or salt, and it will also taste great snack. Now I'm going to set it aside for now before we are moving on to the next part. Now there's only 2 sweet potatoes I used today, but I got a lot of them. From here you can see that the pile of it. So next part is very easy. I'm going to heat up my large saucepan, and then I'm going to add the unrefined raw sugar. I usually love the smell of the cane sugar, the raw one, so I'm going to use it today. And the heat I'm going to use is the medium to high. I'm going to speed up the step a little bit, so I want to bring the sugar into almost caramelized, but it's, you know, when it thickens it becomes a little bit silky, so that you know it's ready. And now you're going to turn the heat down to low just to keep the sugar into the liquid form, and then we're going to put the rest of the fried sweet potato into the saucepan. And this step you're going to have to a little bit quick, because the longer you let it set out like that, the sugar will become dry and become too sticky, and it won't coat evenly. Just gently coat them like this. What I like to do is to add a little bit of aromatic or little some extra flavor into my recipe. That I'm going to sprinkle some of chopped spring onion here, just to add a little bit more vibrant, you know, that purple colors in contrast with the green one here, and then the golden brown from the sugar. It looks amazing, I think. Now at this point you are going to turn the heat off, and it should, once it's a little bit warm to touch, you are going to start making the balls. The first one I try is look a bit like sea urchin, but I don't think it's really practical for eating. So when you put the things in your mouth, it's like, you know, spike everywhere. It's not nice to have that feelings in your mouth. So I try to compromising the look by making like a small bite size as a ball, so it's rounded up. Now it's not less spiky, but a bit crumpled, but it's fine. And here you are, guys. This is the end result for my cooking today. This is the purple sweet potato savory. So I call it the nickname the bird net. I hope you like what you see here, and if you'd like to support the channel, be sure to like and subscribe and share the content. This is Jolly Kitchen with Kiet. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.